Today's video is all about installing a BC300 from BM Pro. It's to help you and your battery monitoring system to identify the power that's coming in through your solar and all the power that's going out and how much battery is left in your caravan. For more information, please like us on Facebook, Motivation. More information and tricks on motivation.vision on the web, and please subscribe to motivation.vision. And just remember, isolate everything, and then when you go to de-isolate, test everything. Thank you. Have a good day.